Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will move further and we will create a aim script. So we can just go here and create a C# script and we can name it look at, and we will open this script. Look at script. And what we want is that we should have a aim point which should follow the mouse position. So what we can do, we can just create a variable private vector3 word position, because we want to create we want to change the screen position to the word position, and in UI we have the screen position on the X and Y axis, and in the word position we have the 3 axis. Okay, so we will just enable the position, and then we will just create a public game object crosshair, which we will create in a while, and in the start function we will say that cursor dot visible false. So we want to make cursor false. So if we click, our cursor will gone, and if we press escape, it will come again. So we will create a fixed update function instead of update, and here we will say that screen position will be equal to input dot mouse position. Okay, so now here we will say that the screen position dot z, because we want to place it in the forward axis, so you can use whatever distance you want, and then we will say that word position is equal to camera dot main, and the important thing is that you should have a camera with a main tag on that. Okay, screen to the word point, and then you can just say screen position. After that you just make the transform dot position will be equal to word position, and crosshair dot transform dot position will be input dot mouse position. So let's save it, and I will just bring the crosshair. Okay, so I bring this crosshair, and first of all we'll select the crosshair and we'll go here default, and we'll change it to 2D and UI because it is a UI object. So now what we will do, we will just go here and we will create a canvas. So UI and a canvas. So for this canvas we have certain settings, so we'll just change the constant pixel size to scale with screen size, and also in the game view we can change it to 1920 into 1080, which is a good size for the game. And also for the canvas we will use scale with screen size, and we'll place 1920 and 1080. The thing is that it is very important because if you will not use the scale with screen size and you will use constant pixel size, the size of the crosshair will be different from for all platforms, different screen sizes. So now we'll just go here, canvas UI, and we'll just go for image, and we can name it cross here, and we will place this image over here, and also we can click on set native size. Now see, you can see its size is too big, and now we can actually scale it. If we go to scene view and 2D, you can see we can actually manipulate the canvas, and I will just choose this crosshair and we'll just scale it like this. I think yeah, this much good, but a little bit more small. Yeah, I think this much is enough. And now what we will do, we will create a empty object here, and we'll name it aim ref, and we'll attach that aim script to the aim ref object. Okay, what was the name of that script? Look at. So now we will just select this, and we'll just drag drop this crosshair inside the crosshair section. And now if we play the game, hopefully it should follow the mouse. So yeah, you can see it follows the mouse, and if you click, you can see that now only this is visible and cursor is not visible. And yeah, that's great. And now we can actually move our mouse around this screen. That's it for this video. Next video we'll move further. Goodbye.